Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. What a beautiful fall day.
Ooh, chilly.
Chilly, yeah. The temperature did drop quite a bit in the Midwest, but it's perfect for what we got planned for this evening and tomorrow. We are going to be processing our black Jersey Giants.
Cutting Dylan's head off.
Hey, get on my back.
So this evening we're going to corral the birds up inside the coop, take away their food and water. We're about 18 hours from butchering, so if you've butchered birds before, get them off food, get them off water like the day before. And
family members and friends that are going to come help us this time. This is our largest processing day. We usually do about half of this, and even last year you did it in like increments of 10.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a busy long day. 60
all at once. I think I've decided I'm going to keep one, or like the biggest rooster and maybe a couple hens. So the final number I think will be 57 that we process tomorrow, but still that's a lot of birds. Yeah. But we do have 3 or 4 extra hands. Of course, these 2 yahoos will be involved. So
they're going to be leaving for a little bit of it. They got jiu-jitsu class tomorrow.
Yeah. We'll start early. We'll start early in the morning. They'll get a couple hours of hands-on, and then off to jiu-jitsu so they can become trained assassins.
Whoa, you just took me out.
And then they'll be back to help.
You want to say hi, Gracie?
Look at this beautiful boxer dog.
She's scared to death
of everything.
Yeah,
Gracie.
Scared of the camera.
She's scared of the camera. That's crazy. All right, me and the boys are gonna go out, get the chickens corralled up into their coop, while Mama cleans up here and gets everything prepped for processing tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right, boys, let's roll. Starting to sprinkle. So what I'm gonna do here is this electric fencing that I got up for these birds, I'm going to take sections of it down and I'm going to create like a funnel that goes over to our big chicken coop, and I'm going to get them corralled in there for the night, I think. But I'm going to have to hurry because it's starting to sprinkle on us. God, you've got to be kidding me.
Oh boy.
Gotta catch him now.
Had to do it the hard way.
I think that one was saying ow. God.
Last 3. That was something.
Yep. That was something. Like 3, I can walk around now.
I went down.
Never mind, I'm stuck. Good.
Yeah, let me get this.
All 60 chickies. 60.
All right, we got them all pinned up. That was not exactly what we had in mind, was it, buddy?
No. We thought it was gonna go decently smooth.
Yeah. So we basically end up having to run around the field and catch all 60 birds one at a time. But we got them all pinned up in the coop here. There's a couple little spots where these little escape artists might have got out, so me and Gavin are going around with zip ties and making sure all the birds are still in there in the morning when we wake up. We have a freeze warning tonight, so there's that. Winter's here. Some good friends coming over tomorrow to help us butcher chickens. A couple weeks ago we helped them butcher their rabbits, so it's kind of what it's all about. Teamwork makes projects like this go a lot easier, a lot faster. And if we do have rough times ahead, which the world kind of seems that way, we're going to be prepared. We're going to have plenty of food, and we're going to have all the skills we need to help each other out and get through whatever this crazy world throws at us. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. Please watch all the videos. Go back, look at some of our old videos. We got like 170 videos up now. There's a whole series on raising these black Jersey Giants. So go back through and kind of see how we did it. And I'm curious to see what kind of weights we're going to get, how heavy these birds are going to be. We will know for sure in the morning.
Some of the birds in here are massive.
Yeah. Some of the roosters are giant. So I am going to pick, or I guess we'll pick one good big rooster tomorrow. And we're going to keep him to breed back to our barred rock egg layers. Definitely want to breed him to Penelope and get some babies out of Penelope. We'll hatch them maybe over the winter or something. She's a cool bird, so I'd like to have some babies out of her. All right, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like and share our videos. See you on the next one.
Peace.
Actually, I'll see you in the morning while we're butchering birds.